Fast food restaurants have a lot of myths around them, so I decided to investigate the top 5 fast food myths. Starting with McDonald's. It's said that the McDonald's burger never rots. So I went to McDonald's and got a normal burger. I'm gonna leave this burger unattended for 10 days. Today's the day 1. We'll check up on this burger later. Next up, we are gonna check if the Subway footlong is actually a footlong.
What's up, guys? There's no one there. Welcome to the vlog, guys. Excuse me.
We are the Subway chat.
Hi. Can I just get a footlong? What bread do you want? It's big.
Double chocolate cookie.
Thank you. For this moment, I got a plate. Is the Subway footlong actually a footlong? Now they did cut it for us, and now it's time to measure it.
Ooh.
So the Subway footlong is 4 centimeters less than a foot. Not a footlong.
Next up, we have California Burrito, which is basically a Chipotle rip-off. The myth is that you can customize anything here.
Also, this is the taco crew.
Now to test if they can customize anything, we got the world's largest taco.
Can we make this? Bro, that's like huge.
Now, even though they had a very hard time making and packaging this, like they literally could not fold this, but even with these problems, they did it. So myth confirmed.
This is the world's largest taco. Can 2 people eat the world's largest taco though? I'll grab this one.
We could not eat it, so we just gave it to people out there.
Subscribe if you want me to show up in your dreams.
Updates on the McDonald's burger left me shocked. I cannot wait for the day 10.
This is crazy. McDonald's? I am coming for you. Wait for the last day. Okay, next up we'll test Domino's. It promises a 30-minute delivery or a free pizza. Okay, so the order got placed at exactly 9:45. Also, while I'm waiting for the pizza, subscribe for a pizza. I'll maybe give it to you. Probably not. Okay, only like 13 minutes left. Can they make it on time? This is peak cinema chat. Can they make it on time? Okay, nearly 10 minutes left. According to this, he's here, but there's no one here. The app is literally lying to me. He's here. Okay, so I got the order under exactly 23 minutes. Myth confirmed.
Next up is Taco Bell, who claims to give you unlimited Pepsi.
Bro, I cannot finish this. This has a little too much ice. Oh my god, really just chew it like those other YouTubers, those goofy goobers, those. Bro, that's unethical. Maybe. Into the $1 billion corporation though. Is it unethical, child?
I was gulping down Pepsi like it's nothing. I did not record much because I got awkward, but they basically stopped me after my 5th drink. So it's not unlimited, myth busted. And it's been 10 days since I left the McDonald's burger out there.
So it's been 10 days and this is what happened to the McDonald's burger. I think you can see this here. Let's open this. I'm wearing gloves for this because I do not want any fungal infections. I don't know why, but there's some water leaking from this. So I'm obviously doing this outside because I do not want whatever this is inside my house. So let's open this. Oh, this is watery for some reason. Ew. Oh, there's maggots on my hands now. This is a whole McDonald's ecosystem up here. I don't feel like touching this. But as you can see, McDonald's burgers actually decomposed. Myth busted. This is disgusting. Should I rot this for 30 days now and just keep it somewhere? Comment down below if I should rot this for 30 days. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Why is life so scary? Well, back in elementary, my teachers used to threaten me, say they'd bury me in a cemetery.
They see me after class, and if you don't make an appearance, I'm gonna have to give you detention and send a note home to your parents.